Hi friends, you are again with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn German the Easy Way. Here I am again with you with another interesting topic, how to connect two sentences in German language. Here on the screen you can see few words und, oder, aber. These are connectors. Okay, so before going further, I want to ask you something. Have you subscribed my channel yet? If yes, thank you very much. If no, then please do consider to subscribe it. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go ahead. Before going further, let's first understand what is conjunction. In German, we call it Konjunktion. In the simplest way I have described it here, the meaning of word conjunction is the act of joining. Grammatically, it is a word which is used to join two words or phrases or sentences. There are different words used as conjunctions depending on the requirements of the sentence. Its function is basically to combine or join two words or phrases or sentences, as I said before. In German, these words are also called Bindewort or Fügewort. Bindewort or Fügewort have the same words for Konjunktion. So I hope it is clear. It's in English also we call it connector as well. So it's quite simple. Let's go ahead. Now in this video we are going to learn three connectors. Und, oder, aber. Und, in English we call it and. Oder, in English we call it or. Aber, in English we call it but. So very simple meaning and, or, but. These three, we are going to learn these three connectors and how to use these connectors. The first connector, und, which means and. Let's see the example. I bake a cake. Ich backe einen Kuchen. Ich backe einen Kuchen. I eat the cake. Second sentence. Ich esse den Kuchen. Now we have two sentences. Now we have to combine these two sentences. I bake a cake and eat it. The translation will be Ich backe einen Kuchen und esse ihn. Ich backe einen Kuchen und esse ich. Here you can see I have written ich in the bracket. We don't need to write ich once again because both the subjects are same for both the sentences. That is why while combining these two sentences we can avoid writing the subject. Ich backe einen Kuchen. Einen Kuchen, why einen? Because it is accusative object. Und esse ihn. Ihn is again accusative personal pronoun. So I hope you have understood how to use und. Ich backe einen Kuchen und esse ihn. Und is always zero position and verb is at the second position. We have to just assume that there is a subject, ich, which I have not written. Let's go ahead. Second connector here is oder. In English, we call it or. Let's take again two sentences and combine them. First sentence here is, you can write an email. You can write an email. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben. Ganz einfach, Modalverb. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben. Let's take the second sentence. You can call me. You can call me. Du kannst mich anrufen. Du kannst mich anrufen. Now we have to combine these two sentences and we have to make one sentence using the connector. You can write an email or you can call me. Now the German translation will be Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben oder mich anrufen. Here again the subject we have avoided, which is there, but we have avoided here. We don't require that because the subject is same. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben oder mich anrufen. Again, order is also at 0 position, we consider it, and then comes the verb. So again, du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben oder mich anrufen. We have avoided the second position verb as well because it is also common here. Let's go ahead. The third connector here is aber, which means but. Now let's take the example. We go with friends. Wir gehen mit den Freunden. We go with friends. Wir gehen mit den Freunden. Second sentence here is you stay at home. You stay at home. Du bleibst zu Hause. Du bleibst zu Hause. You can also use sie. Sie bleiben zu Hause. Now, the third sentence where we have combined the above two sentences. We go with friends, but you stay at home. We go with friends, but you stay at home. Let's see the translation. Wir gehen mit den Freunden, Komma, don't forget that, Komma, aber du bleibst zu Hause. Wir gehen mit den Freunden, aber du bleibst zu Hause. Here you can see we have completed these two sentences, combined these two sentences into one using aber. So the sentence will be wir gehen mit den Freunden, comma, don't forget here we have to use a comma before aber. Aber du bleibst zu Hause. Ganz klar, ganz einfach as well. Let's go see some of the examples. Beispiele, in German we call it Beispiele. I go to the market and bring some bananas. That's the sentence. Let's see the translation. Ich gehe auf den Markt und bringe einige Bananen. Ich gehe auf den Markt und bringe einige Bananen. Ganz klar? Gehen Sie. Second example here is he going alone to the party or his friends are also going with him? Is he going alone to the party? First sentence, or his friends are also going with him. Let's see the translation. Geht alleine zur Party oder seine Freunde gehen auch mit ihm? Geht alleine zur Party oder seine Freunde gehen auch mit ihm? Ihm, that is dative. So I think it's clear how to use the second connector oder. Let's go ahead. The third example here is with the third connector. I have to complete my homework today, but I don't have any interest to do it. That's the sentence. I have to complete my homework today, but I don't have any interest. Ich muss meine Hausaufgabe heute vollenden. Ich muss meine Hausaufgabe heute vollenden, aber ich habe keine Lust. Aber ich habe keine Lust oder aber ich habe kein Interesse. Both are correct. So that is how we use the third character aber. Don't forget the comma before aber. That is how we'll frame the sentences using these connectors. You have enjoyed my video. You have learned something new. Thank you very much. Danke, danke sehr. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it and learn something new today. Don't forget to ring the bell. Wait for my next video. Thank you very much once again. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye.